Here's how to open a WPS file in Microsoft Word. You can do this directly in Word using the available options. First, open Microsoft Word. Make sure you're using Word 2010 or a later version, because these versions support WPS files directly. With Word open, click the File tab, select Open, then click Browse. This opens the file browser. At the bottom, open the File Type dropdown. Change the file type from Word document to all files. Once you do that, the WPS file will appear. Select the file and click Open. Now, Microsoft Word opens the WPS file in Word. You can read and edit the content just like a normal Word document. Wait, to make sure the file opens directly in Word next time, save it in Word format. Click the File tab and select the Save As option. Choose a location to save the file. Select Word document, then click Save. The WPS file is now saved as a Word document, and that's it. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.